Saturday, June 9th, 2018. So I've been running this little swamp cooler fan and it's been working great. See the water in the container down there. It holds about 5 gallons of water, and I've got a gallon in there right now, but plenty of room in there for ice cubes or a block of ice even, hell. You can see how the fan's pulling the pad out towards it. Yeah, it's flowing good. So you can see down here, plumbing, water dripping off the pad, looking good. Very simple construction. Make different size ones for different size fans, whatever. And it seems to use about, depending on how high you have the fan running, maybe a couple of gallons every 4 or 5 hours. So I put like a gallon in there, let it use it up, and then put in some nice cold stuff. So if it's going to be real hot, then I'll throw some ice cubes in there, or I haven't tried to block ice yet. I might give that a whirl. But anyways, it's cheap. You know, the pump and the fan themselves, it's a little fountain pump, garden fountain pump. So between the two, they probably use about as much as a 100-watt light bulb, maybe, yeah, at the most. So I'll try to see if you can see the pump underneath the fan there. But yeah, I had the pump in a fountain out back, and I had the fan Vicky bought secondhand for $5, so working great. Recommend build yourself one. Whatever size fan you got, build a frame like that to add a swamp cooler effect to that fan. No water's coming through the fan at all or spraying out. It's all nice and dry. I've got it on a hardwood floor. It's not a watery mess or nothing. So, alright, there you go.